Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Spikeman Dan mini bike channel. Today I got something to show you guys. Let's get to it and show you what's going on with the mini bike. Alright, as you can see, I got the Reaper all tore down. I'm actually thinking about removing the valve cover and checking my valve lash settings. Haven't done that in a long while, ever since I got this all together. The carburetor, I got that all taken apart. Got all the stuff here. The bowl, I cleaned out the bottom of it. Cleaned out the inside of it. Just letting it dry out. And I got the emulsion tube and the jet. Now the jet, let's see. That's got plenty of a big enough hole. So I don't think that's the problem. But if you look at the emulsion tube, let's see if I can move this here. Look how big that hole is on the jet compared to how tiny those little fucking holes are on the emulsion tube. Big hole, tiny holes. So I'm wondering if that's why it's sputtering out on me. Problem is, I looked high and low. I got tools scattered all over the place looking for my wire drill bit, and I can't seem to find it anywhere in my tool set. So I'm SOL on that for the moment. And of course we got the Thunderbird on the back burner, and the Motovox is sitting outside. I really need to get all this shit organized so I know what tools where. Just go through my whole toolbox, just reorganize everything and make some room for, because there's plenty of room right here for 2 mini bikes if I get everything cleaned up. And yeah, hopefully I'll be back on my way to getting the Reaper back up and running. So I'm Spikeman Dan. I know y'all been dying for more mini bike videos, so I'm working on it. And I hope y'all stick around, stay tuned, and get those subscribers in. And if you guys want to donate, you can do so at www.paypal.me/SpikemanDan. All contributes are more than welcome and very appreciated. And I thank you guys for anybody that has donated. B-Rob, Redfoot, all kinds of people have donated. Let's see. There's actually quite a few people that have donated. I'm sorry if I can't remember all your names. I wanted to make kind of a board for you guys. I have to go through on my PayPal account and see and memorize what your guys' account names were and try and make a nice little montage for you guys. So got a lot of stuff to do. And yeah, stick around. I'm Spikeman Dan. Thank you for tuning in.